Alright, I'm leaving the house on the way to the airport to go to Pittsburgh.
Do we get a line or you go to the food?
We checked in.
So since we got carry-on, that
Yeah, we just go to don't lose.
Okay. Shoes off. Laptop set up, iPad, Kindle, game system. Grab a different bin for it. Again, double check the bag, ma'am.
laptop and bag.
What did it look like inside there? When you guys got scanned, what did it look like? What did it look like?
$8, but now just to repair it doesn't make any sense. So I want to buy something like this. Very compact. I can put it in my pocket.
Yeah, it works. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's good. Yeah.
I do photography.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
Yeah, this is a good one. It's
So
called
you
the
buy online or?
Yeah, it's online. You can do it anywhere. Best Buy, anywhere.
Yeah,
Amazon.
that's why it's little expensive, but online is cheaper.
Oh yeah. It was like six something, 5 something.
Alright, thank you.
Travel safe and smart for
Please hold on.
is mandatory while in the terminal.
We're about to get on the plane. We're about to take off. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Yeah, we're in the air. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Hello. You landed. Boy, I am on you, but like, where did the wings go? Boy, slaving. We're now in Pittsburgh, and we're finally here. We had to go from Georgia. We had to go from Atlanta to Chicago, and then Chicago to Pittsburgh. It was a long flight, man. Long flights, 2 flights actually. So yeah, we actually here. So yeah, I got Cinnabon. I'm gonna slap our nose. So yeah, I will update y'all when I'm back. Yeah. All right, this is my car.
Right, right.
This is the car right here. It's really dark, so I can't really show y'all everything. But yeah, this is it right here.